In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I transformed an antique double bed frame into a modern queen size mattress fit. It's easy to do. Let me show you how I did that. Take a look, tell me what you think. But first, our channel, come along. Welcome to our channel. I'm Joffrey Brett. My gay life, no apologies. And there's Kevin. Our journey began years ago in Florida when we met, and we stayed and had a wonderful life. We owned and operated and ran 5 Airbnbs. We had a wonderful time doing so, worked very hard, so we traveled the world, took many cruises, and just laid back and enjoyed life. Then COVID hit. We decided it was time to isolate. We sold everything, bought a 6-acre ranch in Tennessee. We had horses and we rode and enjoyed ourselves and was living the dream until an unfortunate occurrence. Kevin had a stroke. Tragedy hit and it felt like my world had fallen apart, turned upside down. So we stopped, refocused, decided what to do. We packed up the dog, we left Tennessee, and we bought a home here in Arizona. Life seems to be getting back to normal. Kevin's learning how to cook, and now we just sit back and create new memories. Thanks for coming along. Enjoy my videos. Well. Finally done painting this room. It's taken 2 days and 2 coats, but it's finally done, and I think it looks beautiful. Let me show it to you. The color's really nice. It enhanced the room, making it look brighter, of course, and bigger. Isn't that nice? So the next thing to do is bring in all the rest of the bedding, hang some pictures. But I want to share with you what I did with this bed. Now, Kevin and I acquired this bed, and it's an antique, as you can see from the headboard here, and from the baseboard, or the, I don't know, what do you call it, an end board. It has kind of a sleigh look on the sides. It's a beautiful bed. It came with the side slats, but we couldn't use the bed. The reason we couldn't use it is because this is a double frame, double slats, double size, and it's nearly impossible to find double mattresses these days, let alone a full. So we had to get a queen. But my dilemma was, how do you make this frame of an antique with no slats, and it's too small of a frame lengthwise for a queen, but yet you can't find a full or a double. Does that make sense? So here's what I did. I went online, of course, and I purchased a queen size frame, is what this is. It cost me a little under, I believe, $90, which is a great buy for this. So it's a frame that you put together, and it's kind of a steel. These all come apart. So this frame comes in 2 pieces. It folds up like this, and you put it together. The challenge was, how do I make it attach to the old antique frame? So what I did was, I got some bolts, as you can see here, and I screwed the bolts through the frame into the footboard, and I did the same on the headboard. So I got 4 bolts, as you can see it here, kind of. Here. So I screwed a bolt into the headboard on both sides, just below where the slats go. I did the same on the baseboard. Then I purchased a queen size mattress online in a box. And when it arrived, I put it on, it fit perfectly. So that way we could use the antique frame with a modern bed. Pretty simple process. Let's get the mattress put on. The mattress is a 14-inch deep pocket mattress, and it came in one of those bags that's all rolled up airtight, so it's about this thick. When you cut the plastic, unroll it, I'm extremely pleased. It's very comfortable. It has the built-in cushions support, built-in coils for support, and it only cost me $129 on Amazon. So this whole bed was just a little over $200, to customize it to fit our antique frame. So let's get the mattress put on. It's a beautiful mattress. And comfortable. We've had 2 guests come since we bought it that's been able to sleep on it, and they rave on how comfortable, and was also very surprised on the cost value of it. All right. There we go. It's not that heavy, just one of those things that's bulky and awkward for one person. All right, up we go. Get it up on the bed. And it fits snug. So there you have it. A queen size mattress on an antique double bed. Isn't that nice? All right, let's get that made. So I'm going to continue to get the room put back together. Is that straight? No. Almost. So let's do the update. The room is put together. It is complete. And I think it looks absolutely stunning. Taking the time to watch the video. I hope you subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and tell me what you think. I also want to share with you what it looks like at night. I've got a little ambient light behind the bed there in the corner. And it just gives a nice little shadowing effect on the wall and in the room. It makes for a really comfortable look. The room is complete.